We know this shoe is going to go crazy. We've been holding it and we wanted to make sure we released it so that we had all the stock ready to go. So Stella has just landed from Hinako. Now last year, you may remember Ivy we had in the fuchsia, the tangerine and a latte color, and oh holy crap, it went quick. So Stella is a bit of an update. We do have Ivy coming back, they just haven't landed yet. So Stella is a wedge version, so very, very similar to her sister in there in the Maya. So we've got the EVA base, we've got the espadrille type, it's a false one there, so it hasn't got the weight behind it. All the leather, look how gorgeous this leather is. It's so good. The pink is just as good in real life as it is on the camera here that I'm showing you. Got a zipper here to make it really easy. A very good elastic gusset on the back here. Now the bow on the front, now this is removable. However, it does have, I'll just see if I can show you that on camera, the tiniest little thread there, and I've just undone it and had a look. You could if you didn't want that bow on there, you could easily snip it and then have it as removable. The Ivy last year didn't have that stitch and you could take it on and off, and I know a couple of ladies were doing that. So now we've got the fuchsia, and then we have, I want to make sure I get the wording right. Is it latte? Latte, yeah, sorry. I just want to make sure it wasn't called nude. And that, look at that. So very cute. The little bow on the front. It was just an absolutely gorgeous style. I think it fit every single foot it went on. The way it's designed, the shaping, the leather, the softness of the leather is just incredible. So that's Stella. Now online, they both go from a size 38, 37 up to size 46. We do have limited stock in these, so it's not one that I know it's not one that's going to last all summer. So if you love them, you've got Afterpay, Zip Pay, Open Pay, all the pays, and then you can also call us and do an old-fashioned lay-by if you need to, if that's your preference. But if you love them, please don't miss out on these ones because they won't last. Ivy is on the way. Ivy's just got the heel, so they're coming in later in summer.